Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. Today I am going to discuss about one interesting topic. The topic name is how to make 1 crore rupees by investing 20,000 per month. So before going into the details, this is the standard disclaimer. I'm not SEBI registered analyst or advisor to suggest all these things. Whatever the ideas I am sharing in this video is just for the my personal opinions and my personal thoughts I am sharing just for the educational purpose. Okay, coming to the topic. See, here we wanted to make how we can make 1 crore rupees, okay, 1 CR by investing 20,000 rupees per month. Okay, normally this is the formula for the interest rate. Okay, for the amount, this is the principal amount, what the amount we are going to invest. Annual rate of interest. Okay, this is total number of years. N is the total number of years. So here what I am thinking, my thought process is, let's say every month we started with the 20,000 rupees investment. Okay, that means for the 12 months it is going to be the 2,40,000 rupees. Okay, this is the amount per year we are going to invest. Okay, so for this amount, this is the first year we are going to invest. The second year, what I am thinking is, see, there is a rule 72, right? Rule 72, what it says is, if any investment, if you are investing, if you get 18% returns, okay, 18% returns, that means 72 by 18, you do 4 you will get. That means every 4 years your money is going to become double. So that means I am planning to increase 18% investment every year. So second year I am going to invest 20,40,000 rupees. Okay, plus 18 percentage of this amount. So totally how much it becomes? 2,40,000 rupees, 2,40,000 into 18% of the amount equal 43,000 rupees. 43,000 rupees plus 2,40,000. So it becomes 2,83,200. 2,83,200. This is the amount I am going to invest in the SIP in the second year. Similarly, third year, how much we have to invest? 2,83,000 plus 18% of this amount. So like that, if we are keep on investing for 10 years, okay, the initial amount 2.4 lakh, next year 2.8 lakh, something like that, next year 3.245, something like that. If every year you are keep on increasing the 18% and the fund which is giving the returns of 18%, so that means two 18% are there. One 18% you are trying to add additional amount every year. At the same time you are finding the fund which is giving the returns of 18% over the period. So what are the funds which are given 18% in last 10 years or last 25 years, whichever the completed 25 years of age or 10 years of age. Let us find out those funds first. Okay, for that I have collected the funds. Okay, these are the funds. Nippon India Small Cap Fund, which has given for last 5 years 26%, last 10 years 28% returns it has given. Mirai Assessed Emerging Blue Chip Fund also it has given 23% returns. Kotak Small Cap Fund which has given 22% returns. Okay, Parag Parek Flexi Cap Fund which has given 18% in last 10 years. ICICI Prudential Technology Fund which has given 18% in last 10 years. So for any one of these funds, the track record, if we see the track record, right, all these funds are having very good track record and successfully completed the 10 years. So I highlighted these funds because these are the funds we regularly we talk about these funds. Okay, and also our investments also there in these funds. Now you pick one of these fund by doing your own research. After doing that, how you have to investment. Okay, let's say this is the retirement corpus. I wanted to make 1 crore rupees. For making the 1 crore rupees, my current age is, for example, 38 years. I wanted to take the retirement at 48 years, so 10 years. Coming 10 years, I wanted to make 1 crore rupees. 1 crore rupees is my retirement capital. So for making this, what I am doing is the initial amount, the monthly amount 20,000 rupees, which goes yearly, right? Yearly it is going to be the 2.4 lakh. This 2.4 lakh is the initial amount. Okay, the 10th, for example, see, this is the first year. First year you are making 2 lakh 24,000. The second year I am making 80% of this 2.4 lakh, which is 2.83 lakh. Okay, so third year how much I am going to invest? I am going to invest 18% of the second year, which is 2.8 lakhs. Fourth year I am going to invest 3.9 lakhs. Okay, which is 18% more than previous year. Something like that. Cumulatively you have to increase. At the last year, the 10th year, I need to invest 10.6 lakhs, which is the retirement year. We may be getting the more salary. Okay. Now the expected return I am expecting as per the fund performances. I wanted to pick one of this fund which has given the 18% minimum returns for past 10 years, which is the track record. If we see, right, 5 years also it has given the more than 18%, and 10 years also it has given the more than 18%. These are the funds. I wanted to pick one of the fund. Okay, I don't want to reveal the names. You do your own research. So take one of this fund. By doing your own research, invest in this manner. So first year I am going to invest 2.4 lakh. Second year same. Okay, in the SIP model, what I will do is, if the amount is 24, amount is the 2.4 lakh. Okay, monthly amount I will get 20. If the amount is 2.8 lakhs, 2.8 lakhs. By 12, how much? Okay, 23,600 is the monthly investment I am going to do. Okay, similarly for this amount, okay, the third year monthly you can put 27,000. Fourth year we can put like 32,000. See, like this keep on increasing while you are growing, your experience is growing, your salary is going to grow. When your salary grows, right, the same amount, okay, you have to increase it here. So the same ratio, the 18% ratio, I am planning to increase 18% ratio, and same amount I wanted to invest in the company where the minimum track record is 18%. If we do, this is the 2.4 lakh. For the 2.4 lakh, 10 years. From today, you are going to take the retirement after 10 years. So for this 2.4 lakh, 10 years, this is the formula. Okay, C2, what is the formula I mentioned? This is the principal amount, the amount invested, 1 plus R power N. Okay, the same way the formula is here I mentioned. P means this is the 2.4 lakh into 1 plus G3. In the G3 what I put 18% is the return. Okay, B2 is this is the B2 10 years. The amount which I am investing 2.4 lakh, after 10 years it is going to become like 12 lakhs 56,121 rupees. The second year I am investing from today 9 years, right? 9 years we are going to hold. So for the 9 years, for this amount 2.8 lakhs, for this 2.8 lakhs amount, for the 9 years, for the 9 years, this is the if we get the 18% return after 9 years, it is going to become 12 lakhs 56,121. For this amount 8 years, for the 8 years, if we get continuously 18% returns, okay, we are going to get 12 lakhs 56. This is the equal amount we are going to get. In order to get this equal amount, what we are doing? We are adding 18% extra every year in the cumulative manner. So finally, what is the total amount we are investing? 56 lakhs 45,117 rupees we are going to invest. Approximately, if everything works out, how much we are going to get? 1 crore rupees capital in 10 years. So that means every month you are investing 20,000 rupees. Okay, next year you are going to increase the 18% to this 20,000 is the initial amount. So you are keep on doing the same thing for 10 years. Okay, it is very easy to make the 1 crore rupees. So in case instead of this, right, let's say you wanted to make 1 lakh rupees investment. Okay, you pick the multiple funds, 4-5 funds, where 4 funds you can pick where you wanted to put 2.4 lakhs. That means easily you can make, okay, 4 crore worth of 4 crore retirement capital you can make easily. So this is the plan, this is the basic idea behind making this 1 crore rupees in coming 10 years by investing the 20,000 per month as an initial amount. After 1 year we need to increase 18% amount to the cumulative manner. Every year 18% of your initial amount you need to increase. So if we are keep on doing this, after 10 years our capital appreciation will be like 54 lakhs appreciation we will get, and the investment is 56 lakhs. Approximately we can make 1 crore rupees easily by investing in the SIPs. Okay, that's all friends. This is what I would like to give you, how to make 1 crore rupees by investing 20,000 rupees in the cumulative 18% CAGR. So this is the formulas. You can check the YouTube video, or you can get these formulas everywhere. You can make this into Excel sheet, plan. You can aim for the capital, whatever the amount you want. Based on that adjustments you can do it here. Let's say I wanted to make the 2 crore. That means the initial amount, this I can go to the 48. Okay, 4,80,000. If I make 4,80,000, okay, I am going to get 2 crore rupees. So let's say if I don't want to, expected return is 18%, yearly increase I wanted to increase only 10% every year. If you do the 10% increment every year, okay, the amount you are going to get 1.59 crores. If you are equally increasing 18%, you are going to get equal amount. If you are going to get increase 25% every year, you are going to get 2.5 crore. Something like that. You can make your adjustments based on your income, based on your capital, and aim for the, you put some goal for the retirement purpose, create that workout to achieve that goal. Okay, that is the main intention behind making this video. Okay, thank you so much, friends. If you like this video, this content, this idea, please subscribe for my channel and press the like button.